This is time of 11 o'clock. Today we are going to tell a topic named aeroplane. Aeroplane is the air transport. It flies in the air.
It is very expensive.
It is the fastest means of transport. It has small windows.
In aeroplanes inside, air hostess are there. They will serve us food.
The aeroplane has two wings and a tail at the back. The man who drives the aeroplane is called a pilot. There are two pilots.
The aeroplane lands on the runway.
In aeroplane, there are in one time only few people can ride in a aeroplane. It makes a loud sound when it's going up. Thank you.